Hey guys, I'm just going to show a quick tutorial on how to install this lightweight flywheel from Moped Motion. Anyway, the first thing you're going to do is drain all of the oil. I've already done this, and I've already done a couple other steps just to speed this all up. But first, drain the oil, then you're going to take off the first the sprocket cover, so that you can gain access to these two stator cover bolts right here. These are all 8mm, and there's 8 of them. Once you've got those off, this whole cover should just pop right off. And there you go. There's the stock flywheel. And you can see it's held on by the flywheel nut and also by these 6 Torx 30 bolts. And the easiest way I've found to take those off is simply to put your 17mm socket right there on that, and then using your Torx 30, loosen those, and then take those off. And be right back.